Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to freeze your location on Snapchat app, then this video is definitely for you because in this video I will show you how to hide or freeze your location on Snapchat app very easily. So let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat application and then click on your profile picture on top left corner. After that, click on settings icon on top right corner and then just scroll down. And here in the privacy control you can see my location. Click on it, and here my live location you can see hide my live location. If you enable this option, then no one can see your live location. So if we want to hide our location, then turn on this option. So guys, in this way you can hide or freeze your live location on Snapchat app very easily. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.